Welchel, filming here in Tustin, California from my crochet studio for my Etsy shop Starlike. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crochet a flower for a hat. So first I want you to chain 6. I'm using a super bulky yarn so that my flower will be a little bit bigger. And then you're going to join those into a ring with a slip stitch. Alright, now go ahead and chain 3, and then into the ring do 2 double crochets, chain 2, and slip stitch it into the ring, and then we'll do the same thing over again. So chain 3, do 2 double crochets into the ring, chain 2, slip stitch into the ring, and then repeat. And we'll do this 6 times so we have 6 petals. Alright, and after the 6th one, then just pull it up, trim it, and then you'll just use a darning needle to tuck in those ends. But I usually just kind of send them to the back so that I can use the ends to tie it into the hat. Alright, and that is how you crochet a flower for a hat.